I'll cook up a solution with the knowledge I've accrued. They say a kitchen time saves 9, but I'm just saving 2. I've gathered the ingredients to make some thyme sorbet. There's hardly room for seconds when the seconds melt away. Watch as I work my gypsy magic. I have the noon and cinnamon. Watch as the matter turns to batter. Open the portal, jump in. Fruit stew, do your favorite apple bloom. Sometimes life is not a cakewalk served up on a silver spoon. Toss a fig and save the date. And bread and butter, cheese and butter, marination, incantation, chocolate mixing, timeline splicing, yeast is rising, rectifying.
Pinky, if you're hearing this, it means we're dead and gone. Please don't fake a portal, just accept it and move on.
My cauldron is preheated and I've got you in my crawl. Let's beat these yolks and save my folks by baking the 4th wall. Watch as I work my gypsy magic. See pony tears and provolone. That helped the outcast with her witchcraft. Someday I'm gonna go home. Someday I'm gonna go home. Oh.
Day 1, war's begun. Come on, Johnny, get your gun. At fruit camp, we learned to shoot. Boy, my helmet sure looks cute. March out, rendezvous. Hey, I'm speaking fancy too. Agent Orange, just wait and see. Apple tanks are all we need. Come on now. We're just getting started. Day 2, lots to do. Rarity is working too. War is like an apple farm. Raise that field and raise this barn. So far, it's a breeze. Some civilian casualties. Hit your mark, a fatal blow. Grab your partner, do-si-do. Yoo-hoo! Playing, son. Draft horse, no remorse. Alpha Bravo, Charlie horse. Family bonding, selling bonds. Signing treaties, singing songs. Take off, thumbs away. In my plastic aeroplane. Hope my backup gets here soon. Hey, it's Twilight Sparkle's balloon. Day 3, out at sea. In my Apple submarine. In the silence, spending time ruminating on my crimes. Wake up, not done yet. Battle time, all hands on deck. We can sink their battleship, burn them to a Honeycrest. White flag, we're not done. Got those cowards on the run. Round them up, no need to stall. Take no prisoners, kill them all! Get along, little doggies. How do you like them apples? Day 4, won the war, loyal to my apple core. Ponyville gives amnesty, red delicious victory. Warhorse, proud to be. Freedom isn't ever free. Hung my ribbons at the door. That's how apples won the war.
The race has begun. We must run fast, jump over the mud. Having a good time. Where's Applejack? She fell in the mud. Are you okay? We can still win this jump in a bucket. That looked like it hurt. I know what pain is. It's great to be alive.
But when I am feeling weak and when I am feeling down, she is there to lift me up over the spot. Yes, I love my sister Applejack.
Bum bum bum. Eating some pie. No time to chew. Pushing some hay. No time to lose. Pushing this hay really far.
Pushing hay is really hard.
Running in a circle, yes. Having so much fun, hooray. Gotta choke some grapes. Throw them with your face. Sister, toss and squish and squash and making tacky jelly. Put it on your head. We're gonna win the race. Because I am a good eraser. I am running oh so fast. Fun levels are to the max. Applejack flies through the air. Apples fall without a care. Apples are not meant to fly. No apples get left behind. When small things get kicked around, they just might destroy the town.
When I'm feeling broken down, she has always got my back. Life is worth protecting now, place it in that giant hat.
Yes, I love my sister Applejack. Now we're racing toward the finish line. Nothing matters once you die, but we're along for the ride. And you sacrifice the meaning just to have the words rhyme. In the end, it all comes down to just how far we can slide.
Daylight is fading away. Night silhouettes in the sky. Red lights are flashing in towers. It's Manhattan's magical time. Ballerina is dancing in small lake on a river made of diamonds and pearls. Everything's a little bit weird now because tonight it is showtime. In the middle of the street light, always celebrate a good times. Because tonight it is showtime. Come and walk with me, 1, 2, 7, 3, down the Rockefeller Street. Life is marching on, do you feel that? 1, 2, 7, 3, down the Rockefeller Street. Everything is more than serene. Old school Hollywood stars, party Cinderellas are here. They move like computer game heroes because they know it is showtime. In the middle of the street light, always celebrate a good times. Because tonight it is showtime. So let's keep moving on. 1, 2, 7, 3, down the Rockefeller Street. Life is marching on, do you feel that? 1, 2, 7, 3, down the Rockefeller Street. Everything is more than serene. So let's keep moving on. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. If you want to know what Rockefeller Groove is, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Time is right to celebrate good times. Moving, keep moving, moving, keep moving. If you want to know what Rockefeller Groove is, keep moving, moving, keep moving, keep moving. Time is right to celebrate a good time. 1, 2, 7, 3, down the Rockefeller Street. Life is marching on, do you feel that? 1, 2, 7, 3, down the Rockefeller Street. Everything is more than serene. 1, 2, 7, 3, down the Rockefeller Street. Life is marching on, do you feel that? We're singing 1, 2, 7, 3, down the Rockefeller Street. Everything is more than serene.
I'm not a fan of puppeteers, but I've a nagging fear someone else is pulling out the strings. Something terrible is going down through the entire town, wreaking anarchy and all it brings. I can't sit idly, no, I can't move at all. I curse the name, the one behind it all. Discord, I'm howling at the moon and sleeping in the middle of a summer afternoon. Discord, whatever did we do to make you take our world away? Discord, are we a prey alone, or are we just a stepping stone for taking back the throne? Discord, we won't take it anymore, so take a tyranny away. changing status quo, but not in letting go. Now the world is being torn apart. A terrible catastrophe played by a symphony. What a terrifying work of art. I can't sit idly, no, I can't move at all. I curse the name, the one behind it all. Discord, I'm howling at the moon and sleeping in the middle of a summer afternoon. Discord, what heaven did we do to make you take our world away? Discord, are we a prey alone, or are we just a stepping stone for taking back the throne? Discord, we won't take it anymore, so take your tyranny away. And sleeping in the middle of a summer afternoon. Discord, what heaven did we do to make you take our world away? Discord, are we a prey alone, or are we just a stepping stone for taking back the throne? Discord, we won't take it anymore, so take your tyranny away.
I remember one day, maybe was the first day of my life. You came to my heart, my eyes wide open to you. I feel warm behind you, take my hand inside. Kiss me, kiss me, kiss me again. I feel it, you remember one day, start to love me. Yes, girl, yes, I love you more than me. And always touch my lips and darkest picture. You can remember, kiss you, kiss you, kiss you again. I remember one day, maybe was the first day of my life. You came to my heart, my eyes wide open to you. I feel warm behind you, take my hand inside. Kiss me, kiss me, kiss me again. I feel it, you remember one day, start to love me. Yes, girl, yes, I love you more than me. And always touch my lips and darkest picture. You can remember, kiss you, kiss you, kiss you again. You grew